Hello everybody, it's me Viv, and for today's video I'm here with this little package from another AGIGer who I recently did a style swap with. So I did a style swap with on AGIG, dolls are my middle name, Kiersten. So thank you so much Kiersten for doing the style swap with me. I'm so excited to open this package. I made her a bunch of clothes in my style of doll clothing, and then she did the same for me, and then we swapped it, and now I'm going to open the package that she received, or I received from her. And then she told me that she also filmed a video of her opening my package, which she has already received. So I will link that in this card in the top right hand corner and the description box down below when it comes out. And yeah, let's go ahead and get started with opening this. I am so excited. Thanks so much for the trade. Hope you enjoy your items. Kiersten. Thank you, Kiersten. This is awesome. I'm so excited.
Ooh, this is cool. Okay. Oh, this is so cool. Oh, wow.
Okay, so I am so impressed with like the quality of these items. I think they're so cute, and like they're really different from what my dolls own, so it's nice to have like style from someone else. So the first item, I guess I'll show you guys here, is like probably my favorite one. It is this cute little tie-dye like t-shirt. The detail on the neckline is also how I like to do the detail on my doll t-shirt necklines. So that's really cool. So it's like a tie-dye pattern with like a little Saturn and some stars like hand painted on it. This is so cute. Perfect for summer. And then the next item are these cute like light, almost white, yeah, I think they're like pretty much white denim shorts with a raw edge hem, and they have pockets on them, like on the front and the back, and they're functional, which is really cool, and a stretchy elastic waistband, really nicely sewn. I really like these. These are gonna be perfect for summer. The next item, I'm really excited about this because my dolls have like nothing like this. This is such like a unique piece that I don't really see on a lot of other Etsy stores. So it's this gray t-shirt with holes in the middle, but then the holes are kind of pulled together with little tiny safety pins, and this is so cute. I love this so much. It's very edgy, very street style, and I'm gonna have, hi mom. Oh my gosh, my mom totally just walked out on me filming this video, but that's okay. So yeah, like I was saying, this shirt is very street style, very edgy, super cute. I'm really gonna have a lot of fun styling this with stuff in my doll's closet. And finally, this piece is so cute. It's like this really cute little tank top with a hand-painted Kermit on a sunset. It's kind of like a wide neck tank top with like wide sleeves, so it's gonna be cute with like a lace bralette. But yeah, this is so cute, and I love how this is hand painted as well. I don't have anything like this in my doll's wardrobe, and I think it's so cute. Very well sewn, very cute. I keep saying cute, but it is really cute, and I really like the design on it as well. So those are all the items that I got from Kiersten. Thank you so much, Kiersten, for making all of these for me and doing the swap with me. I hope you enjoyed the items just as much as I enjoyed these. I do not know how I'm going to style any of these so far, except maybe this one. I'm thinking I'm going to put it over like a t-shirt or a dress or something. But yeah, I really like all of these, and I'm so excited to have them in my doll's wardrobe. And yeah, be sure you check out Kiersten's Etsy shop as well to have to check out some other like handmade, super high quality items for your American Girl dolls. And then now I will insert some footage or some pictures of my dolls wearing these outfits or these pieces of clothing, and I hope you guys enjoy. And other than that, that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel if you want to see more American Girl doll videos, and let me know if you think I should do more style swaps in the future. Enjoy the pictures and the footage that's going to be coming up. Thank you for watching this video again, and I will see you next time for another one. Bye!